The biggest mistake I see women make when planning a trip to Jamaica is choosing a place that looks beautiful online but doesn't actually give them what they're hoping for. Because when women travel, we are not just looking for a pretty view. We want to feel comfortable. We want to feel cared for. We want to know that when we arrive, we can put our bags down, take a deep breath, and actually relax. I know this because I travel too. And I realize that the best vacations aren't just about where you go, they are about how the place makes you feel. That is why I created Villa Deluxe Paradise. I wanted to create a private luxury villa in Discover Bay, Jamaica, where women, family, groups could experience the beauty of Jamaica while still having their own peaceful space. A place where your mornings can start with ocean views and coffee by the pool, where your days can be filled with exploring Jamaica beaches, culture, and unforgettable experiences, and where you can come back home to a villa where everything has been prepared for you, because your vacation should not feel like work. You shouldn't have to spend time worrying about the details. You should be able to enjoy the moment you have been waiting for. So whether you're planning a girls' getaway, a birthday celebration, a solar reset, or a family vacation, choose a place that gives you more than just a beautiful picture. Choose a place that gives you peace. I am Neisha, and I created Villa Deluxe Paradise because I believe Jamaica should be experienced in comfort, privacy, and your own rhythm.